Hello and welcome everyone to Healthy Hearts. Today I am going to show you a very healthy recipe which is quick, easy to make and with a very few ingredients. Corn chaat. You can have this as an evening snacks or any midtime snacks. So let's get started. The ingredients which you would require are half a cup of finely chopped onions, half a cup of finely chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of boiled corns, 1 tablespoon of raw mango which is optional, salt to taste, half a cup of chaat masala, 1 green chilli and coriander to garnish. In a mixing bowl, add corns, tomatoes, onions, raw mango, salt to taste, chaat masala, green chilli, mix it well. And at the end, garnish it with some coriander. And it's ready to serve. So that was the recipe. If you liked anything about the video, do let me know in the comment box below. Also, we are open to suggestions or any queries. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Hearts. See you next time. Stay blessed.